Hello, hello everyone. Hello, nice to see you. Hello, hello, nice to see you all. Thank you. Hello, Pat. Thank you for your concerns, Pat. Everything is okay at the end. I had a small problem at my fast food. That's why I was quite late. Hello, Monica. Hello, nice to see you. Hello, Pitley. Luis. Hello, hello, everyone. One time we weren't at the open, and look what a nice Asian DR breakout price gave to us. We have our bearish confirmation, but unfortunately we don't have our clear pullback yet. From the beginning of the day, I was for sure, my friends, bearish. You see, I have drawn my drone liquidity down here, where what my triangle over here forms. That was my target, and it gave us a really nice AZNDR breakout over here. I hope that you were able to capitalize upon it, especially you guys that are members of TTF. Really, I'm sorry that I delayed to open. I'm so sorry. But we are here for the next 1.5 hours to at least try to find any potential trades. Pitley says that took that AZNDR breakout. Well done, well done. Entry at 25717. Really nice. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Florida says, hello, I finished the ICT course. I'm going to be here often. Can you go over your strategy? Well, Florida, my friend, of course I can. It is also public here in YouTube. If you want to go to TTF's YouTube, you will find my mini series. The concepts that I'm trading is DRIDR. It will help you much more, not just exactly me explaining now, telling the basic rules, but if you go through the videos, and if you are a member of TTF and you have any questions, I will help you so much, and we can go, of course, anytime in many more details, especially in our private live streams. I can go in even more details in any questions that you might have. Now, publicly in YouTube, you can go, of course. And if you are a member of TTF, you will go to Discord, live recordings. You will find a whole playlist of 2.5 years of trading, of live streams, of course, where I go in so many details upon my strategy, my friend. But I'm happy that you are putting the work that is needed, because Florida, my friend, this is the purpose. This is the purpose of TTF. And of course, being able to educate yourself, it is very important in your trading journey. So I'm very happy for you. Well done. Keep up the hard work. Luis asks our friend Pat, how was your opening scalp today? Price unfortunately didn't retest over here, although I'm not going to rush things to happen. We will wait. We have time, of course. Let me check a little bit. This is our previous daily low over here. This can be a really nice target also. This can be a really nice target, and it aligns perfectly with almost 1.5 standard deviation. So this will be one more of our targets. It is, as you all see, it is the low of Wednesday's New York DR. But please, price, please retest. Oh, let me connect my accounts. Give me a sec, please. Give me a sec. I'm connecting my accounts and we will be ready to find any potential trades. Give me a sec. Sorry, stalling the process. I know it's not very nice you looking at that screen. Now I believe that I'm ready. Let's go back to the charts. Please, price, pull back a little bit. This is what I'm looking currently. Most of you that you know what I'm expecting, and I will say it also for Florida. This, my friend, range is named the New York DR, my beloved friend. What I'm expecting price to pull back to the DR range over here and take a really nice continuation, either for the 0.5 standard deviation, either for 1 standard deviation. This is what I'm expecting, although price is heavily bearish. That's why we will be patient. Florida says, I enter the fifth retracement and thank you, buddy. I will. You're welcome, my beloved friend. I hope your trade plays out. Let's go. Awesome, Pat. Yeah, thanks, Monica. Monica says, I finished my end of week analysis. I'm doing weekly and monthly analysis of my trade according to my 2026 trading plan. Well done. I'm so happy for you, and I mean this. It is so important to be able to create properly and the same way our trading idea. I'm so proud of you, Monica. Well done. Well done. Well done. Okay. Monica says, first week in January, I met 64% of my weekly target on the short side. Okay. Well done. Well done. I'm so happy. So happy. Keep nailing it. I'm so happy and I mean this. Well done, my friends. Congratulations. Congratulations. Let's go. Let's go. I like that we are pulling back a little bit. I'm expecting a small pullback. Don't forget, my beloved friends, if you enjoy what we are doing over here, please hit the like button. It means a lot on what we are doing here, and you're helping our try of making TTF even more bigger. And of course, we can't forget that whoever isn't member of TTF, link in the description, trdfloor.com, the most supportive community in the trading space. And I mean this, and I have many members that confirm what I'm saying. And also, we are the most transparent community out there. No mumbo jumbo, no fake statements. We record everything and we show everything to all of you. We even show the results of our amazing program, the Earn As You Learn, a program made for all kind of types of traders, especially although for the new ones. Why? Because it is a huge opportunity giving you trading ideas to be able to capitalize when you're still in your learning curve. I'm so proud of what we have done here in TTF. Trust me, whoever is part of our community can confirm what I'm just telling you now. I'm so happy. Let's go. Let's go, TTF. Let's go. Donovan, good morning, my friend. Nice to see you. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Oh, Florida says yet it hit TP on 15-minute retracement. Micro NQ. Well done, my friend. Well done. So proud of you, mate. Donovan says waiting for pullback on Euro USD. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, Donovan, be careful. We still have our one standard deviation, but be careful. Why? Because 0.5 has been already touched. Be careful because price maybe can pull back because it hit, of course, the highest probability take profit level and maybe consolidate and don't expand. But of course, we have also the PM session. No one knows what truly price will do. But we still have our high probability one standard deviation. So if price pullbacks soon, I believe that it will have plenty of room for you to capitalize upon this move. What is gold doing? Melting. Also, from what I'm seeing, yes, it was logical. We are seeing huge strength from dollar suddenly. So that's why we are seeing all the other going down. It is what it is, of course. Please, price, pull back. Please. Thank you so much. I love, Monica says, I love this community. We also love you all, my friends. You are TTF, every member, every educator, every live streamer, the owners, the mods, everyone is TTF, and we are very happy to have all of you. Atanasov, my friend, says, I take the first FF signal on the 1 minute after testing the Asian level. Okay, let me check. Okay, really good. Did you hit TP, my friend? Atanasov? Almost. Almost. It's near TP if you cover this high. I believe you will win. So we don't want a pullback. We need price to go down for my friend Atanasov. I want price to go down for my friend Atanasov. Please go down. Please go down for our friend. Okay, we don't have anything on news. Okay. Maybe we will see, although, a pullback. Maybe we will see the pullback. Look what it did over here. If you went for a 1.5, I can't believe it didn't hit TP. It can be so annoying when it does this and you're waiting for another 10 minutes and doesn't hit your TP. These are the kind of times that you want to hit the button and close early. I know how it feels, my friend. I'm also an active trader. I'm also having struggles. I'm also losing. And I saw yesterday an amazing podcast from the Words of Wisdom. He interviewed the number 2 female trader, the number 2 of the Robbins Cup. The famous Robbins Cup where ICT never has... Yes, Marcy Pitley. Yes, Marcy. And she said many amazing stuff. Many... I haven't seen, again, so much transparency in one podcast, to be honest with you guys. She was so transparent, telling the truth that she's glued to the charts even if she's 10-year trader. To be able, she said a lot of things. Very interesting podcast. I believe now that the upcoming weekend, give 1 hour of your time to watch it. You will see many similarities with your own trading journey. And don't believe that because I'm sitting in this chair or Marcy is number 2 of the Robbins Cup, that she has many differences from all of us. We are all the same, we all have the same struggles. The difference between us is how we fight our struggles and how we handle them. She said in one point, and I really, it really talks to my heart, is that in order to be a successful trader, you must first learn to lose, because you are going to lose a lot. You see, it is something that I'm telling you all, especially you guys in the community, that you are searching for the Holy Grail, or you are searching for the 80% strategy, win rate strategy. Watch this podcast, you will see that these things don't exist. They don't truly exist. They can exist in paper, showing like this the tool, how we call this, the trade tool, without showing the true trades. Look, I took this trade over here. Look, I took that trade, with no bank statements, with no real proof of the accounts, screenshots at least of the day that they win. And they are claiming that they have 80% win rate. There's no such thing. There's no such thing. Yes, go Pitly and watch it. It is a very, very, very nice podcast. So much transparency. I mean this. Donovan, where can I find a lesson on standard deviation? Well, if you go, Donovan, to my list, my playlist in TTF, because I know that you are a member of TTF, you will find a video that says how to take profits with TR. Over there, you will learn how I use the standard deviations based on statistics. Of course, I'm not the author of the concept. I'm trusting the author of the concept that provided when I was in his community. Of course, the data that makes these areas high probability. Go please and watch that video. Marcin, how are you? I'm doing very, very well. Sorry, my friends, again for any inconvenience that I prevented to all of you, but I had, as I said, an emergency at my fast food, so I had to delay. And we have officially the pullback to the DR zone. Now we are going to wait for the last phase of our fractal frenzy DR system, and of course make some money. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Tell me, my friends, you didn't tell me today how was your trading day today. If, of course, you traded before I opened the stream. I can't wait to hear what you guys did. My friends, don't forget, if you are enjoying what we are doing over here, please hit the like button. It means a lot in our try to make TTF even more bigger. And of course, don't forget, my friends, link in the description. Whoever isn't member of TTF, trdfloor.com, a huge opportunity to be part of the most supportive Discord community in the trading space. Unlimited hours of trading education, unlimited hours of live streams on mindset topics, on education upon futures, CFDs, risk management, an amazing roadmap for anyone that is beginning their trading career to go step by step to become one of the best traders out there. And of course, I can't forget the amazing bundle of indicators that we have here in TTF. And to add upon that, of course, the Earn as You Learn program. The biggest opportunity I believe a trader can have in order to make some free money when he's educating himself. Okay, I love this pullback move. I love it. So let's see what will happen. Now we will patiently work. I'm of course removing this because I haven't entered any trades. Let's check how the 5 minute is looking. Look, price is reacting to this straight red line. Of course, we never know if it is going to react to it or not. That's why we have added one more confirmation, and that is fractal frenzy. Whoever wants to have fractal frenzy, of course, link the description, trdfloor.com, my friends. I really love what I saw from the opening, because I won't lie to you guys, I was bearish from the beginning of the day. Even when I saw the bullish expansion model, I didn't believe for sure that price would keep this bullish expansion model. And when I saw the opening and how easily price broke the Asian DR, I was sure that price would melt. I was sure. Now, let's be patient for everything to align. Let's be patient. But in general, don't expect huge moves from price, because always take your time, my friends, and do this. Go to the daily, shrink a little bit your candles, and look what is truly going on, my friends. Look where price is trapped. Look with your own eyes. If I go it even more, if I expand it even more back, but look, at least from the beginning of the year, price is barcoding up and down, up and down, up and down. Everywhere it's the same picture. Let's go to Euro USD. Now Euro USD is quite trending. You see, creating lower lows and lower highs. Gold, the last few days, look what it's doing. A little bit of barcoding. Now from here I would expect, of course, price to go up. But mostly because we care about NQ, I don't like this picture. Let's stay in the 1 minute now. Why? Because we are waiting for everything to align, to take a trade. Pitly says one and done, 1.5 R winner. Amazing, Pitly. Full of confidence for the end of the week. This is what dopamine does to our minds and confidence. And what do I mean by that? If we continue and win most of the time, it keeps us calm. We are calm. When we are winning, we are calm. That is the most important thing. We don't try to force things to happen when we are winning. That's why I personally prefer Christie, Artie, that I admire a lot as traders, of course. That's why we all prefer small RR, 1.5 to 2. Sometimes I will go for a 1.7, other times I will go for a 1.8, but most of the time I will go for these RRs. Why? Because, my friends, it keeps me calm and I win much more than I lose. That's why. Not that I don't lose, of course I lose. I have the curse of live trading in front of YouTube. Every time I take a trade, I always lose. I'm joking, of course, I'm joking. I'm joking. But it happens often, of course. But losing is part of the game and it happens a lot. Either we like it, either not. It happens. Okay, let's go. Let's see. Let's see. Are we going to have a setup? I believe that we will. I believe that the setup is forming. It is forming. I see it. I see it. But I will be patient. You are sorry for that. And as I have said multiple times, even if here price decides to pull back, I will be saved from fractal frenzy. Yes, step 1 filled, step 2 filled. I will wait for step 3 to complete. If it doesn't and decides, of course, to go against me without, of course, my third step, I will be saved. If although my third step completes and it goes against me, it is what it is. Always keep in mind, my friends, that in order to make money in trading, I only need to win 4 times out of 10 trades. This is the only thing that I need, to win 4 times every 10 trades. And my win rate and I will make money at the end of the day. Okay, patiently waiting, as most of trading, of course, is always patience, always patience. It can't stop. Patience is our life. Patience is our life. Okay, I like that price is a little bit consolidating over here. Let's take a look at Euro USD again. Okay, it's pulling back. I like it. It hasn't retested, although, the New York DR. What is gold doing? Doing gold things. Look at what a retracement it had, guys. What a retracement is that? Okay, let's see. Let's see. Is there any pair that you would like me to take a look, my friends? Is there any pair? Is there something that you would like us to discuss all together? Any topic? Now, to tell you some news, I'm holding a Greek stock, a Greek bank stock that in 2 days has fell 12%. 12% down because it has launched that they are going to add something, they are going to change something in their stocks so they can be more competitive in the Greek banking system. And it is unfortunately falling. Like number 9. Like number 9. Yeah, like number 9. Now I understood, sorry. Okay. Come on. Stop consolidating and make a move, please. Post my trade on your channel. Let me check it. I love this stuff. I love them. I love it. Whoa, what a good trade, my friend Atanasov. Well done, my friend. What a good trade. Whoa, what a winner you took today, my friend. I'm so happy for you, mate. What an amazing Asian DR breakout was that. Really good, really good. I love it. Let me answer you also live here on YouTube. I'm answering my friend Atanasov that posted his amazing trade in Discord in my personal channel. If you want to be able, of course, to also interact with all of us, link in the description, trdfloor.com. I'm so proud for my friend Atanasov. He is an amazing member that has put a lot of work. That's why I really, really admire him. He's putting the work that is needed. It is matter of time to be 2000% successful. Hello, Abhi. Welcome. You are from India. I'm from Greece, my beloved friend. Nice to meet you. I hope that you are enjoying our community. I hope that you subscribed, of course, to our community, not only on YouTube. Of course, you can go take a look at YouTube, what amazing things, or you can go to the first page and see what amazing bundle TTF provides. Of course, we have a lot of things here free on YouTube. Feel free, of course, to always go and check. I hope that you are part of TTF. Always feel free, my beloved friend, to ask any questions that you might have. Monica's, he posted it in my personal streamer chat room. You will go and see streamer chats. You will find my name over there. And if you follow that thread, it will be like a normal channel. I hope that I helped you. Okay, we are having a much more deeper pullback over here. A much more deeper pullback. Okay. I like this. I won't lie to you guys. I really like that we have a much more deeper pullback. It gives time for price to reset. Also, I am seeing that here price is in this up close area with this up close candle. For me, in my eyes, this is a supply zone based on my ICT and SMC learnings. It is a bearish order block, if you want to call it like that. I will ping you, I will ping you. I pinned you, Monica, so you can find it much more easy. I pinned you. Pinned. I'm trying my best, you all see. I'm trying my best. Up, he says, sir, you also trade in gold. I by 95% trade MNQ futures. I won't lie to you, I don't prefer gold, but I have run multiple tests upon gold. I believe that it has much more volatility and much more manipulation than all the other pairs. That's why I don't prefer it. But I have seen quite a lot of good results with some of my tests. But I'm keeping some things so we can present it in the future. A 100% gold ICT quarterly theory strategy that I will present privately in the community, I believe in 1 month for all our gold lovers, because I know that we have a lot of gold lovers. So I will provide one setup that you will be patiently waiting to form every day in a certain time frame, certain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 step rule. Follow the steps and execute. But I will need some time because I need to run a little more tests. Okay, perfect, Monica, perfect. I'm happy that you was able to find it. I'm so happy. Atanasov said, time is needed and just don't quit. That's it, just show every day and I hope we will succeed. That's the spirit, my friend Atanasov. I'm so happy and proud of you, my friend, because I know that you show up every day. And trust me, the reps will make you a champion, not a one lucky day or a lucky match. All the champions, all the Olympic athletes that go to the Olympic Games and win gold medals, they all put the reps that are needed day after day, hour after hour. Don't forget that trading is not a one night success, my friends. In trading, you're competing the smartest and hardest and complicated systems and algorithms on planet Earth. So, in order to be able to make it in trading, you need to always be in the top level. Hamtsiz, nice to see you. I'm doing very well, Hamtsiz. Thanks for asking, my beloved friend. Thanks for joining. It means a lot. Hamtsiz is one of our 100% ICT traders. I'm sure that he capitalized upon this move. I know that he was bearish. I know that he saw his confirmations. I hope that he capitalized upon it. Abhi, you have any Telegram channel? No, I don't have Abhi any Telegram channel. I am a live streamer here in the community of TTF, my beloved friend. If you want to see my teachings, you must be part of TTF. And of course, inside our Discord community, I will help you as much as I can, my friend. And of course, you will see first with all the other members what I'm going to launch in about 1 month. Florida asks me what confirmations you are waiting for. I'm waiting for a bearish fractal frenzy signal, my beloved friend. One of the indicators of TTF. I'm waiting for a bearish signal from fractal frenzy. Hamtzi is not bearish anymore, pretty neutral, and haven't gotten any sleep today, so didn't even try to trade. Haha. Okay. I respect that. Indeed, price is all over the place. I understand why you're neutral, but I couldn't close my eyes in. I couldn't close my eyes on that prices that is in that bearish daily fair value gap. So it made me a little bit more bearish for today. Up he says, how to trade in New York? I'm from India. What do you mean, my friend? What I'm going to show all of you, if you mean specifically even my DRIDR strategy, even my ICT strategies, anything that I personally present are tradable along all the trading sessions. I don't know your schedule. I don't know when you are able to trade. That's why everything that I at least teach here in TTF are tradable during all the trading sessions. Florida says, okay, I don't think how to use that one yet. I'm going to study it more. Okay, Florida, take your time. Go and watch, first of all, the mini-series here in TTF YouTube. And if you want to put even more time into DRIDR strategy, go in the Fractal Frenzy section in Discord, where you will find in the pinned messages my 2 detailed summarized videos upon my whole strategy. I believe that this will help you even more because I go through many more details upon in comparison, of course, with the mini series on YouTube. I mean, Abhi, don't think about it, my friend, and I mean this. If you're lost in your trading career, be member of TTF and follow the roadmap step by step, and trust me, you won't believe how much you're going to improve your trading. Sir, I'm trading Indian market. You know Indian market. Unfortunately, my friend, I'm not aware of Indian markets. I'm sorry about that. I am not familiar with any Indian stocks or any Indian indices, but I believe nowadays you have a lot of prop firms that allow you to trade any market you want, my beloved friend. I believe so. I'm not so sure that India is a restricted country, but I believe that many prop firms allow you to trade whatever asset you want. And of course, if you want to trade the Indian markets, nothing will stop you from using the fractal frenzy indicator, put the work that it is needed, and see if DRIDR or ICT concepts or SMC concepts or any concept works on the pairs that you are interested in trading. Have a great weekend, Monica. Nice to see you. It was my honor that you were part of my stream. Thanks for joining. Thank you so much. Have an amazing weekend. And of course, don't forget to spend a lot of time with the ones that you love. This is why we trade, because we want to have much more free time. Enjoy every moment so you can come strong on Monday. Let's draw also a trend line over here. Yes, I will fix it, guys. Yes, don't worry. Let's make it more sniper. Okay. Look, Alex is using a trend line. You're welcome, my friend Abhi. You're welcome. I'm happy that I helped you. Don't forget, my friends, if you enjoy what we are doing over here, please hit the like button. It means a lot for us in our try to make even more TTF even more bigger. Of course, whoever is interested, don't forget, link in the description, trdfloor.com. If you're not part of TTF, please go take a look and see what we offer here in TTF. Trust me, you won't regret it. Donovan says, also on your channel you show how to set up Fractal Frenzy. Well, let me see. I will show it now. I don't have a problem. I will show it now. Everything is default. The only thing that I change is stir sensitivity to 5. I believe I provide this information in the mini-series on YouTube. The only thing that I change is stir sensitivity to 5, and I change the signals to the alternate shapes. This is what I do. Everything else is default. And of course, Fractal Frenzy has built inside also the DRIDR concepts, so you don't need to have so many indicators. Okay, we are seeing that probably the trend line is going to be broken. I'm also like number 10 or subscribe. Okay. Thank you so much, Abhi. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you. Everyone, don't forget, my friends, that everything that we are saying over here is my personal opinion and is for educational purposes only. And any trading decision that anyone will make is exclusively on their responsibility. Sir, your stream timing. I stream publicly on YouTube usually on Tuesday, New York Open, and Friday, New York Open. This means that it is 14:30 UTC. I don't know exactly your time zone, so I stream always at New York Open. Today I delayed a little bit I had to delay the stream a little bit. That's why you are seeing me 1 hour later. And maybe I will keep this if everyone wants. I can stream, of course, 1 hour later one day, not exactly at the Open of New York. It depends upon you guys what you want. These are my timings, my friend. These are my timings. Tuesday and Friday at New York Open. Okay. Retesting over here the trend line that we drew. I would like to see this level to break over here. If it breaks it, I believe that we will soon have a bearish fractal frenzy signal, and it will give us the opportunity to take a position. We have over here our highest standard deviation probability level. That will for sure be my target, even if my trade will be 2 to 3R. I will go for the 0.5. Pat says, heading out to spend the last few hours with my family before traveling back home. Thanks as always, Alex. I hope the trade works out for you. I do love the DRFF concept. It's been great. Thank you so much. Of course, enjoy every moment, my beloved friend. Our family is the most important thing. They will be there always for us. And I mean this. Truly enjoy every moment. Enjoy every moment. Thank you for your wishes, my friend. Thank you so much. Abhi, sir, you know Hindi Indian language? No, unfortunately, my beloved friend. I'm half Greek and half American. I don't know Hindi, my beloved friend. Sorry. I wish I knew so I could help you. I know that my accent is weird, but I am from Greece. I'm half Greek and half American. Safe travels. Yes, Luis, indeed. Safe travels, my friend Pat. Safe travels. Okay. Let's see if we're going to have a drop. We need to see the drop. We need our FF signal. We need it. We need it, guys. We need it. Again, a bullish signal. One more bullish signal from FF. Resetting everything exactly at the opening price, at the daily opening price. This is the daily opening price of NQ. Daily open. Daily open. The candle is transforming into bullish again. What is going on? Louis says, I think we are in sideways pattern just like yesterday. Yes. Huge move down, huge move recover. We must be careful, of course. I don't like this either. I would like for sure a much more quicker move towards the downside. But of course, don't forget that it is Friday. Many traders are closing their positions. They don't want to have any open positions, so we probably will see low volume. Of course, we are going towards noon. Everything can happen, especially in New York PM. Nice to meet you, Abhi. It was my honor that you were part of my live stream. Thank you so much, my friend. I hope to see you also next time. Thank you so much. Pitley says long weekend as well. Monday is a bank holiday. Yes, correct, Luis. Correct, Pitley. You're right. It is, if I remember well, Martin Luther King Day for the US. You're right. I forgot that also. Yes, you're right. You're right, my friend. You're right. Luis says, let's see if it bounces off the 1 minute JSON. Oh no, we have a JSON. Forgot the JSONs. Oh, I love where the JSON is. Nice information. I would love to see the bounce from it. It will for sure help us to find the trade setup if it bounces from it. Thank you for noticing it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Come on, Mr. FF. Come on. Let's go. Let's make it a more green. Melt, please. You are in a J zone. Please melt. Even if it doesn't melt, my friends, look one more time the power of these random zones we see on our chart. Look, reaction, break, retest, reaction. Even if it doesn't, at the end of the day, even if it doesn't melt from here, I'm seeing a box from nowhere reacting, price reacting to it. What magical things you have done over here, Mr. J? What have you done? Up, he says, sir, could you tell us a little bit about how your trading journey started? Of course I can, my friend Abhi. Well, before 6 years, 7 years, I had a very good friend of mine that convinced me to invest in crypto. But it was the first cycle of Bitcoin back in those days, with having and I bought Bitcoin at the highest price, and after that price began to melt. I saw my portfolio bleeding for over 8 months, but in that 8 months I decided to learn what I did wrong, my beloved friend Abhi. And that's how I started educating myself on YouTube. And there is where I found the owner of TTF, one of the owners, Artie. His channel is The Moving Average. And of course, I found Christy Kins, also owner of TTF. And I joined them in their community, in TTF, because I wanted to educate myself and discover what I did wrong. That's how my journey began. Of course, I wasn't such a patient trader in the beginning, and I believed, of course, that learning more will be even more better, and that's how I followed the SMC route and the ICT route also. educated myself over 2 years upon these concepts. But in the meantime, I was from the lucky ones. Why? Because one of my part of character is that I'm very, very passive. And that's how I was able to make money in my first 1.5 years in my career, my trading career. Not tons of money, but of course I was making money. I was losing also, but I was able to make some profits. And then, of course, because ICT, SMC needs a lot of analysis, I searched even more in my trading journey to find something even more mechanical and less time consuming strategy. And the DR IDR concepts came in front of me. I educated myself for 1 year also on these concepts. And of course, I began sharing my knowledge in TTF, and I have provided my whole strategy via my live streams. And now I'm trading 2 times a week in front of everyone. I believe that we always have room for improvement. No, I'm not a hedge fund trader that is managing millions of dollars, but I'm a trader that I have one funded CFD prop firm account. I'm a trader that also have 550K futures accounts and 2 more from another firm. I in total have 7 accounts at the moment and 1 CFD. And trying to make profits from the markets every time. I also have, of course, my personal account. I have a personal account on AMP futures where I'm trying to beat S&P. I'm investing all the time in my account and I'm trying to beat S&P. Okay, I hope that I covered your answer. Whoever enjoys stories, whoever enjoys what we are doing over here, don't forget, my beloved friends, hit the like button. And of course, don't forget, whoever wants to be a member of TTF and isn't, link in the description, trdfloor.com. We are patiently waiting for our Fractal Frenzy print. Fractal Frenzy is one of our indicators here in TTF. Of course, we have multiple indicators for multiple things. When you, of course, be members of TTF, you get access to all of them. But you don't get access only to them, you get access to the most supportive Discord community in the trading space. Of course, you get access to our amazing roadmap that can help any trader, especially beginner one, how to don't be confused and all around the space. And of course, I can't forget the Earn as You Learn program that provides to us trading ideas that we can add upon it our analysis and of course find even more success, or just follow it, simply follow it, and you will for sure find success. All the results of the Earn as You Learn program are posted in the system reports. You can all if you are a member of course ETF, you can have access to them and see what the systems do by themselves. We have 3 systems. Louis says, looks like the bulls are running out of momentum. The bars are getting smaller. Yes, this is what I believe also. I believe that we are going to drop hard from here, but if we don't have our last confluence, we can never be sure. The only thing that concerns me now is time. Why? Because we are going late into the session, and I'm afraid that in general the steam is going away because a lot of traders are probably closing their positions. What a nice Asian DR breakout price gave over here. So clear, so clear, so clear, so clear. Abhi, are you full-time trader? I don't like to call myself a full-time trader. I'm also an entrepreneur. I own my own fast food here in Greece, and I'm trading also the same time. Why? Because I'm a believer that no one must quit their jobs, whatever jobs they're doing, to just trade exclusively. Why? Because it will add upon your trading much more stress if you are waiting to live from trading. Now, if I am in a position where I will have a personal account of 500,000, of course I'm not going to work. I will go to sell the fast food and enjoy my life. I won't lie to you. I'm not lying to you currently, but now that I have a family, I have bills like everyone has, I am not going to quit my job for no reason. Donovan says, be patient, my friend, while learning. Exactly. We all must be patient, especially when we are learning. Marcin, all right, Alex, I'm heading to the grocery store. Hope this setup will trigger you a successful trade. All the best, my friends. Thank you so much, Marcin. Have a nice day. Do your work. Thank you so much for joining, Marcin. It means a lot to me. Donovan says, thanks for teaching us, Alex. Have a great weekend and glad everything is well. Thank you so much for joining also, Donovan. I'm going to close also in a little bit. Because I will probably also do a long weekend. My trading setup isn't, of course, forming. And life is chasing us as always. That's why we must go and do stuff. Retesting again the Asian DR. Interesting price action, I won't lie to you. Very interesting. I would like to see it melt from here. If it doesn't, I am not interested in taking an Asian DR breaker from the upside. It will be one more chop price action, and I'm not interested in risking my capital in this kind of trading situations. I don't want to risk my capital in this kind of situations. Understanding when to trade or not is very important, my beloved friends. Yes, will I have FOMO if I close my charts and I open them after 2 hours and see price down here? Yes, I will. but it is what it is. And if I make a decision that in 10 minutes if I don't have a trading setup, I will going to close the charts, I will respect my decision. I will respect my decision. Before I go, guys, we are 14 here. Hit that like button. I see only 7 thumbs up. Come on, guys. No worries, no worries. Thank you, Marcin. No worries. No worries. I know I was late. So it is logical that many have left. Also, we are going late and most have finished their trading, so it is logical. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Marcin. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Thank you. And I mean this. Okay, I believe that we are seeing a reaction. Oh, it is time. It is time. Let's see. Probably it's time. Let's enable also DeLorean. Let's enable DeLorean. Okay, melt please. Melt please. I have explained to everyone what I expect to happen. One more time, probably price is going to react from the AZNDR. It's showing some momentum. We also broke this trend line. I would really like to see now the range filters turn red, and of course our magical fractal frenzy signal, berry signal. I don't know if price will go down here to the 0.5 standard deviation. That's why we can be passive in that and go for our usual 1.5 R. I hope this happens in the next 10 minutes when I'm going to close the stream. Any questions that anyone has? Any questions? Okay. Ah, come on. Okay. I'm going to wrap it up, my friends. I don't believe that it's going to have any intentions to go down. I'm going to do some work I have, and if in 10 minutes it doesn't form a setup, I'm not going to trade. Keep in mind what I Louis says, one question: what sort of food does your shop sell? Well, here in Greece, my beloved friend, we make sandwiches with sliced pork. We have sausages, we have hot dogs, and my shop is selling these kind of sandwiches We have, of course, many products. It is exactly as I said. We put our meat in bread and we make sandwiches, and we sell them. That's what I do. This is what my fast food sells. Of course, refreshments, of course, French fries, everything, all of this, salads, tomatoes, onions, cucumbers, everything all around. Abhi, thank you very much. Thank you. Pitli, it is very, very delicious. It will be my pleasure if you guys will be my guests one day when you will visit Greece with your trading money. You will come and visit me. Yes, like Gyros, my beloved friend. Exactly, Atanasov, my friend. If I remember well, my friend Atanasov is a neighbor. He lives in Bulgaria, if I remember well. I was in a trip in Bulgaria recently because my daughter is a Taekwondo athlete, and I came to the capital, Sofia, and in the most central, in the central of Sofia, in Bulgaria, I saw a shop that sells gyro. It is a Greek recipe of sliced pork. Louis says, nice, I'm at the end of my working day, so food is now becoming my priority. I'm sure it will be your priority. I like what I'm seeing in the charts. I'm probably not going to execute it live, but I'm monitoring the setup. It is now forming. I'm going to close the stream. I'm going to post if I'm going to take a trade. I'm going to post it, of course, in Discord. You will find it either in markup board section or I will post it in the Fractal Frenzy section. Thank you, my friends, so much for joining. It means a lot. It is my honor and my pleasure to have you all with me, spending your time with me. It means a lot. I hope that you find value in what we discuss over here, and I mean this. Thank you for your invitation up here. It will be my pleasure to be able to visit India. I have heard the most kind words about India. I have a friend of mine that he is a pilot in Indian Airlines. He flies Indian routes. And he tells me many good things about you guys. I hope that I will be able one day to visit. Thank you, my friends. Thank you for joining. As I said, if I will take any trades, I will post it in Discord. Thanks for joining. See you all on Tuesday. Thank you so much, my friends. See you all. Bye.